LPC2148 is a 32-bit microcontroller, and it has 8 to 40 KB of on-chip static RAM and 32 to 512 KB of on-chip flash program memory. It supports 2 UART, and we will use one for the GPS modem and other for GPRS modem. And it is based on RISC principles, and it has a analog to digital converter and 10-bit digital to analog converter, and it has 45 input output lines, and it instruction set would be two type 32-bit instruction set, and it has a special 16-bit thumb instruction set too. And we use several gas sensors in this project. They are CO2, CO, and NO2, and we use a temperature sensor too to get the temperature around the location. And what we use CO2 sensors would be of two types, NDR and chemical. Chemical CO2 sensor. We use the chemical CO2 gas sensor here, and temperature sensor we use LM35 series, and it would be better than the other temperature sensor, because it output would be in Celsius, whereas in other temperature sensor the output would be in Kelvin. It will we can subtract it, and which we will be used to subtract it. We use a GPRS modem in this project to send the data which we monitored to the lower server, and the user can in the board they can verify the values of the levels in the industries. So GPRS is basically the upgrade of the second generation, and we basically, if we want to say about GPRS, it made us to send more than voice, email, browsing packet at an higher speed, and it made data rate up to 2 Mbps possible in phones, which was only possible in PCs at that time. If here in this project we use it to send the data to we send the data what we monitored, like CO2 values and SO2 values will be sent to the server, and the user can check the level, and then he can resend it will be resended to it uh, to control the power supply. The GPS which we use in this project has an highly integrated GPS module with patch antenna. The antenna will be connected to the module using LNA, and that GPS module will be with 51 channel acquisition engine, and it has a 14 channel track engine, and this module is capable of receiving signals from around 65 GPS satellite. It has capability to receive, and it can transfer them to precise position, and it timing informations, and it can be connected to the microcontroller using the UART port. And we use a relay in this to control the power supply. So when we get that the pollution level is abnormal, they will send a command to the microcontroller, and it will make the relay to switch off the power supply. We use LCD to display the data in this project, and LCD driver or controller it will be the link between microcontroller and LCD. For initialization sequence will be the first thing for LCD interfacing, and we would do this by certain command bytes to the LCD, which may be the color format or display mode and contrast of it. So we can see the values of the CO2 and SO2 in the display, and it will be interfaced to the LPIC2148. We use LDR, and LDR is basically a light dependent resistor. We use it to find the pureness of the water. So it resistance would be varying continuously, and its resistance changes based upon the light intensity it falls on it. If the light intensity more the fall on it, its resistance would be less. If light intensity is less, the resistance would be more. And so with this way we can find the whether the pureness is high or low, and its value can be seen on the LCD about how the pure the water level is.